So guys, for the first step, you want to go to search and type in services. Click on it. And then once we're on this, you want to click on any service one time and then click on W on your keyboard. Now you want to find Windows Update. You want to scroll down till we find Windows Update, double click on it. Make sure that you have the startup type on automatic and then click on start, which will now make the service status running, and then click on OK. Now you want to click on restart. You want to restart the Windows Update service. For the next step, you want to do the same thing for the Windows Modules Installer. Double click on it. You want to make the startup type automatic and then click on start, which will now make the service status running, and then click on OK. Again, you want to click on restart. You want to restart the service. For the next step, you want to go to search and type in check for updates. Click on it. And then once we're on this, you want to click on check for updates. Make sure that your computer is fully up to date. For the next step, you want to go to search and type in turn Windows features on or off. Click on it. And then once we're on this, you want to select Net Framework 3.5 and then click on OK. If you already had it selected, which means it's been installed, then you want to unselect it, click on OK, come back to here, select it again, and then click on OK, which is now going to reinstall it. So you want to install Net Framework 3.5. Wait for this to load. If this comes up, you want to select Let Windows Update download the files for you, and just go through all the steps that will come up here. And then once that's been installed, you want to restart your computer, and then the problem should be fixed.